Come close. Look at this. Wow. Giant ulat sago. Look at this. Whoa. One more. Big. So big ulat sago. Look at this. Hello guys. Today we will find some insect in the garden. Now I am with Mr. Sentot and we will go together. Let's go. We often find some insect behind the fallen trees. You can see, look at this. Look at this. Oh, maybe camera can come closer. Okay, look at this. Mr. Sentot finding some larva. Look at this. Now I will take it. I will catching it. Look at this. We found some larva. Can pick up? Pick it, please. Look at this. This is we can call it ulat sagu. Ulat sagu. Look at this. Wow, beautiful. Okay, we catching it. Whoa, some bigger than before. Look at this. Ulat sagu. We can call it ulat sagu. Oh, very beautiful. Oh, larva. Big larva. Come closer. Oh, so many ulat sagu. We find some worm in the log. Look at this worm. Pick it, Mas. Put into the worm. Look at this. This is worm. Yeah. We found. What is this? Oh, ulat sagu. Another ulat sagu. Oh, cockroach! Look at this cockroach. Take it, please. Mas Sentot. Okay. Show to the camera. Show to the camera, please. This is cockroach. Yeah. We find it. Cockroach. We also found a cockroach under the rotten log. A cockroach was hiding inside the decaying wood. Look at this. Whoa! One more. Big. So big ulat sagu. Oh, so beautiful. Take it, please. Mr. Sentot, take it, please. Show to the camera, please. Oh, beautiful. We have find two. Yeah, we find two. We catching it and hunting it. Ulat sagu larva. Oh. Whoa, the treat. Look at this. Ulat sagu. 3. Onggo. Ulat sagu again. Look at this. Ulat sago. So beautiful, but a frightening experience. Come close.
Sao cái nó kỳ. Một chạy cái rồi.
Oh, cockroach. Get him. Get it. Get him. Oh, wait. Get him, please.
Yes.
Oh, show the camera, please. Show to the camera. Look at this. This is a cockroach. Yeah. This is a insects. Okay. Ah! Wait. Okay. Close it. Cockroach. Thank you. Open this. Okay.
Iyo, cái apa lagi?
Luwing.
Cilik.
Luwing lo ketok.
Hindi mo.
Many insect that can found in the dead wood. Some of them is sago groups. Check it out. Look at this. Yeah, look at this. Ah. Wow. Oop. So beautiful. Come close. Look at this. Wow. Giant ulat sago. This is a ulat sago. Sago group. So big and giant ulat sago. Come closer. Closer to the camera, please. Yeah. So very big insect. This is a larva. Ulat sago. Oh, we catching it. And don't forget to stay tuned and watching us together. See you another videos. Bye bye.